do you know what? If it's a low price, then it's good fun and it'll wear the kids out and they'll sleep well at night. And that is a good thing. I would say it's a good thing, and probably money wisely spent if that is your aim. Where are we? There. Yeah. We're back on Essential RC, and guest reviewer, guest test pilot Ian is back after his last video, which people loved.
That's good to know.
Absolutely loved it. Yeah. So we're back, and I've invited Ian back to have a review of this, which I had from my friends at Banggood, who sent me some stuff. Now, aircraft recognition.
Yes.
What is this?
This is an F-16.
An F-16, yes. It is. So I do like how on the box of this, lovely picture of an F-16, but actually if you turn the box around, you have the view of the... This is the product that's in the box.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is it a swing wing?
No.
Okay.
It's still a representation of an F-16.
I got it because of the propellers at the...
Yes.
I
so it's not
now.
strictly a jet. It has... it's a pusher. But I thought it was quite funny how you have this lovely picture on the front of an F-16, and then you have the Minecraft low resolution version on the back. It's like there's not a lot of detail on this version that's in the box. But this really, we're talking about the toy grade end of the hobby. This is for probably 14, is the previous thing we were reviewing, for 14 years and up. You know, so good enough for our early years, but should be a lot of fun. But anyway, let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we get. I literally have not been in here at all, other than to take out the batteries to charge them up. So you've got the controller. Very simple, like game controller.
Yeah.
Then if we take this out, that's the jet itself, and the horizontal stabilizer doesn't have a rudder, but that just friction fits in the top, I think, like so. You could glue it in, but then it wouldn't go back in the box.
No, and it might save it if you land a bit heavy. It might pull it out.
Then you could then repair it or just push it back in place. You get with this one battery, you get the USB recharge lead, you get some two spare propellers, and look at the little fixed landing gear.
That's lovely.
No chance off grass.
No
chance off grass at all, so we won't worry about that. And there's also an instruction manual, which we won't bother to read. That can go straight back to the box, because these things should be intuitive. Yes, because we're going to be flying like as if we're a child experiencing flight for the first time. That's the way our approach to these things.
Yes.
You can see with this, there's quite a bit of dihedral in the wing, so I'm expecting it to be quite stable. All right, ready?
This is also gyro controlled. Yeah.
That is a good question.
I need
Does it have a gyro? I don't know, but we're going to find out when we throw it in the air.
Okay.
Any more difficult questions you want to ask me?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
All right, let's put the battery in. Let's chuck it in the air, and let's see how see Ian flying it for the first time.
I'm doing my confused.com look. What are we doing?
Right, so I think you want to put the radio down.
Yes, I'll do that. There we go.
So we can put the turn it upside down and put the the battery in.
Let's get
the little cable out. Sometimes you have to fish it out with
something. Not happy. I cannot get that. There we go.
Got it?
Yes, I've got it.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, plug in the battery in. We hope. Which is, I'll just get the right way. Was that the right way round? I don't want to get it.
Oh, is the transmitter on? We should have turned that on first.
Should have done that. Sorry.
It's all right. No, my fault. I told you what to do, didn't I?
Okay, there we go. We're on now. We don't know whether it's stabilised, do we, with gyro?
And these things normally are. Normally you go up and down on the throttle.
It's still flashing.
Go up and down on the throttle stick. And down. And up. Yep, and off. There you go. So you're working.
Okay, I'll put that down for the moment so
Yep.
I can put the battery back in the hand.
We don't want to fly it with the battery dangling down,
No,
do we, Ian?
No, we don't. We've never done that before, have we?
I've had them fall out in flight.
Yes, me too.
If you've been flying long enough, that will happen to you.
Yes. Just trying to get that in the best way possible. There we go. Okay,
Awesome.
so...
Do you want me to hand launch it like last time?
I think that's a good idea, yes.
All right. Oh, I can
And then
film.
It can allow me to get on.
Oh, well, look, it's got lights underneath.
Oh, look, okay.
On the leading edge.
I've noticed that the elevators are at quite a steep angle. Do you think that is quite normal?
That is because it does have a gyro.
It does have a gyro, right, okay.
So
that's
it was correcting. It's trying to get back to level.
excellent. So has it got ailerons as well? Have we got gyros on the ailerons?
Yes.
Okay.
It does have ailerons. It does have it? No, it doesn't.
It doesn't have ailerons.
No.
Are they?
Now, do you know what I'm suspecting is that this works for differential thrust, for it to turn.
Go and turn on the motor. Can we?
Yeah, you can hear that, can't you?
You can hear the motor spooling
So
up.
the motors go at different speeds to force it to turn. There are the only control surface is the elevator.
Yeah.
Right. If you turn to one side, can you turn around 90 degrees? It'll be like you're in the cockpit.
Okay.
Look at that. That's Ian in an F-16. Oh, comedy.
I'll have to lose more weight before I get on that one.
Yes, a lot of weight.
A lot of weight.
Right, are we ready?
Right, we're ready, are we? Okay, so...
Stand
Good to
forwards a
go.
little
Here
bit
we
and
go.
I will throw it into wind, Ian.
Okay, full power.
Yeah, I'd say so.
That is... Okay,
Take your time.
yeah.
Get used to it.
It seems to be... It seems to want to climb all the time. It's not very...
Ah, now do you remember the left
The left one
button?
was-
We looked in the manual.
We
We
did.
don't normally do that.
Oh,
But
no.
the left button was to trim down.
Yeah, that's not me doing that. I haven't had enough drink yet. No, hang on. It's getting out of control. I've got
Not
to
got it under control yet.
Well,
See, if you look on here,
yeah, I'm trying to get it back. There we go. Is it coming back towards us? I think it is. That's hands off. Can you see that?
yeah. Is it going further away?
It seems to be going to... I really don't know where it's going. I can't...
It's down.
Apologies for that.
No, don't
It was
apologise.
a technical error on my behalf.
Don't apologise. This is why we do this.
Yes.
So that was, I was filming it. It was pitched up.
Yes,
the
it was
whole time.
pitching and it was porpoising like that.
It was
and
like mad.
I wasn't touching the sticks. It was just doing that on its own.
Right. Okay. Let me go. I'll go over there and retrieve it,
Okay.
and maybe I'll give it a go and see,
Yes.
and it can get my verdict.
You're clearly a better flyer than
Oh, I wouldn't say that,
Oh,
mate.
I don't
I
know.
wouldn't say that. But sometimes it's good to have two opinions to
Yes,
form one.
Yes.
All right.
To be honest with you, once it got out there, the wind was seemed to be taking it away.
Yeah.
Once it got out there, it just got too small to see.
Yes, you couldn't see what it was doing.
Couldn't see what it was
And
doing.
I was
had no
zooming
way of-
in. Yeah. All right. Let me walk out there and get it, and
All
we'll have another go.
Okay.
Right, so I've returned from my adventure to the Arctic, and I have returned. It was literally a mile down there, and I don't know if we misread the instructions, Ian, or if they're wrong, but that is for trim up, and that was for trim down. I think they've got them the wrong way around. So when I was trimming down, it was adding more and more trim up like that. So that's why it carried on all the way out there.
Yeah.
So not your fault at all, mate. Don't feel bad about that.
No, I won't. No. Okay.
All right, so
Yep.
now I've just had a quick test fly. The thing with this is to turn, and the turning is all on the differential thrust. you can't be going full throttle when you're turning, because it gives no room for one to be going slower. So here we go. If you want to stand forwards a bit.
Yes.
Here we go. Hold on. Here we go. So that is full power.
Very close. Good try.
Close.
Good effort.
And he cut my fingers to shreds.
9 out of 10 for that.
One final go.
Okay.
Oh no, blimey. Well. You know, this is why we review these things. You'd want it to fly quite comfortably in the hands of a young child, and this is not so easy. All right, we'll bring it back. No, we're not. Oh, doesn't quite have the juice.
Not enough
Hold
power.
on, hold on. My conclusion is this is really for a zero wind day, and even on a zero wind day, quite limited the control you have over it, because it doesn't have the control surfaces, it only has the elevator. So, yes, quite challenging this one, but I will put the link in the video description and the pinned comment. Any conclusions from you, Ian? He's speechless.
Yes, certainly a calm day flyer.
Calm day.
For anybody buying that as a beginner, you need to have a fully calm day before you launch it.
Yeah.
Because it is a challenge, there's no doubt about that.
That, and you do need to be quite fit, because you will do a lot of running around to pick it up.
Yeah.
So there we go. But you know, we're going to find good products, we're going to find not so good products, you know. Might be your thing, might be. But with these things, a lot of these things, it depends on the price. Do you know, if it's a low price, then it's good fun, and it'll wear the kids out and they'll sleep well at night. And that is a good thing. I would say it's a good thing, and probably money wisely spent if that is your aim. But if you're an expert pilot and you want something controllable to do aerobatics, maybe not. But anyway, thanks for watching Essential RC. Ian, thanks for your help on this one.
You're welcome.
We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Bye. There we go. Can't say we're not honest.
You did a better job.